Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I posted a video that Google Chrome's reading mode is getting better. And that's because last week in Chrome Canary 127, which was the latest preview version last week, there is now an option to disable images in reading mode, which is found here in the toolbar. But I'll leave that video in the end screen if you'd like some more info. Now, it does seem that Google is intent to make the reading mode a lot better with extra options and functionality, because now in Chrome Canary 128 they are testing a small little change to the read aloud feature in reading mode, which basically plays back sentences using the read aloud feature in reading mode. And as far as I'm aware, this hasn't rolled out yet to the stable version, read aloud, which is this little play button here to the top left. Now currently, if we use the read aloud feature, what it does is it plays, as you can see, it plays the entire sentence. Now that's playing audio in my headphones. Obviously you're not hearing it, but it's reading back to me those sentences. So it plays the entire sentence. Now where this is set to change is that the feature that Google is testing now in Canary 128 is the words are highlighted and not the entire sentence. Now this is not a default feature. It's hidden behind an experimental flag, and I think may bring a bit of extra functionality where each word is individually highlighted and, as mentioned, not the whole sentence. So to enable the feature, we have to enable an experimental flag, which is quite normal in these early preview versions. So to do that, we head to our Omnibox, we enter Chrome://flags, and all you do is type in reading mode. And here is the flag, reading mode. We just scroll down a little bit. It says reading mode, read aloud, automatic word highlighting. That's the flag. And the description reads, enables the experimental reading mode feature that switches between word and sentence highlighting when reading aloud, depending on speech rate. So obviously this is all dependent on how fast you have the speech rate set to, which you can do in Chrome Canary as an example for the read aloud feature. So we change that from default to enabled. We relaunch Chrome Canary 128 to apply that flag. And now you'll see once that flag is applied, if we just head back to the reading mode, and we use the read aloud feature, you'll see now it plays the words one at a time, as you can see. So the words are highlighted and not the entire sentence. So as it's talking back to me in my earphones, there you go. So you can see the difference. And I think that's a nice move. And as mentioned, it all depends on the speech rate. So if you bump that up quite a lot, let's just put it to 4 times. You see, when I put it to 4 times speed, it goes back to reading the whole sentence. But if I go back to the normal default speed, you can see it's showing me it's highlighting the word and not the whole sentence. So that's the difference there. And I actually think that this could bring a bit of extra functionality. And if you are using reading mode on a regular basis, there are quite a lot of options that are being worked on in Canary. So these are slowly trickling their way into the stable version. So I actually think this will be a nice option. And I hope that comes to reading mode in the stable version sooner than later. And obviously, when and if that does happen, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.